So I'm using 3 cups of fresh pomegranate and then also 1 banana I'm going to be using. This is very ripe since we want our smoothie to be sweet. That's why I like this very ripe banana, and I'm using 1 cup of milk. So now I'm going to put in my fresh pomegranate. So I'm using 3/4 cup of fresh pomegranate. I'm pouring this in here. Then I'm going to peel off my banana, and this is very ripe because all your smoothie you want your smoothie to be very sweet naturally. You don't want to add anything to it to make it sweet. So always let your banana ripe very well. You use it smoothie. That way it's sweet, naturally sweet. You don't need to add anything else to be sweet, and so you can get all the nutrients, all the natural health vitamins you need. So now that is done, I am going to just add this in. So I'm going to and we are going to open this, and you can see it looks so delicious and it smells good. I can smell the pomegranate and then the banana in it already, and so I'm just going to pour this. All right, so we just finished making our fresh pomegranate banana with milk smoothie. Because the pomegranate has a seed in it, drinking this will be a little bit uncomfortable, and for that reason I am going to strain this first. And as you can see, we want to have a well smoothie, so I'm going to strain this so it will catch all the seed from the pomegranate, so when you are drinking your smoothie you can really enjoy it. Yeah, that is the only way I see it, because I do not want to blend this, which will not give me enough juice from it, and I don't want to waste any of the juice. So this is odd, but this is the best way. You can enjoy the fresh pomegranate at the same time, enjoy the smoothie. As you can see all the seed in there. You see this, how much seed we have from the pomegranate, and this will be very uncomfortable when you are drinking your smoothie. So this is the best way I do mine, since I want to blend everything together and then just strain it, all the seed out. And you can see we have a very smooth smoothie to drink that you would drink in comfort without having to worry about the seed in it. So I'm just going to pour this. All right, now we can enjoy our smoothie, and look at that. Looks so lovely, so amazing. Look how beautiful this looks like. This is a very healthy and very smooth smoothie that you enjoy. Hello friends, so we just finished making our fresh pomegranate banana with milk smoothie, and this is very healthy. It smells so good, and you saw how I did it, because we want to drink our in a comfort, mild, and using the fresh pomegranate, a lot of seed. And so once you finish blending your pomegranate, your banana, your milk, once you finish mixing all this together, strain it. I just strain it because I don't want to be drinking this smoothie and be feeling all the seeds that is in it, and there was so much seed, so that's why I strain it. And now we have a very smooth smoothie that we can enjoy in comfort. So I'm going to give it a taste. This is much better. No seed at all. It's very smooth, and you enjoy these healthily that you need. And so I like it. I taste the pomegranate. It's so fresh. The banana, the sweetness from the banana, the milk, everything incorporates so nicely. You do not need to put any sweetness to this smoothie. It's already sweet. That's why we always want to make your smoothie with a very ripe banana. That way it gives you the sweetness you want, and you don't need to add anything else to make it sweet. If your banana is not ripe, you will not get the sweetness. We want to have our smoothie naturally and enjoy all the natural nutrients. We have antioxidants from the pomegranate. We have our vitamin D from the milk, and then also with the banana minerals, all that comes out of it. We have everything together. So this is your daily nutrient, will refresh you and you enjoy. So that's all I want to share with you today, and I hope you can make this for yourself, and it's very delicious. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also like, comment, and share. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below for me, and I will get back to you. As always, thank you for watching my videos. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and I'll see you on my next one. Take care. Bye.